Hello guys, welcome to bolartech. In this video, we have been given the question to draw a polygon ABCDE, given that AB is equals to 63, that's in millimeter, BC 63, CD 43, DE 30, AE is equals to 37 millimeter, okay? And the diagonals AC 63, AD 50, construct a rectangle. Okay, this is the main question. Construct the rectangle equal in area to the polygon. This is actually an exam question that was given to me by somebody, one of my subscribers. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to draw a rough sketch of how a polygon is. They have been told the polygon is having 5 sides. Okay, so definitely that is a pentagon. This is how it's going to be, something of this nature. Okay, so this is point A, B, C, D, E. All right, so this is our pentagon. Okay, so they told us that this part is going to be 63, BC is going to be 63, okay, CD is going to be 43, DE, that is 30, and AE is going to be 37. All right, diagonal of AC, this is going to be what? 63. We were not given any angle actually. Okay, so this is enough for us to use to construct this. So the first thing we are going to do is to draw a straight line, okay, which is going to be our AB, which is 63 millimeter. Okay, so this is AB 63. Okay, AB, which is a 63 millimeter. Okay, then we have our BC to be 63 and our AC also to be 63. So what I'm going to do is to pick 63 on our compass. Okay, we are going to pick 63 millimeter on our compass. Okay, then place it at point B. We are going to strike an arc of this manner. Okay, then place it at point A also. We are going to strike an arc. So this part that the arc is meeting is going to be our point C. Okay, so that's going to give us our length BC. Okay, so now what's the next thing? We have been told that CD is what? 43. So from point C, I'm going to mark 43 millimeter. Okay, it's going to go like this from point C, 43. This is 43 on my compass. All right, this is 43. Strike this particular point, and we have been told that AD is what? 50. Okay, so we are going to pick 50. This is 50. Okay, so AD is 50. Okay, so this is going to be our point D. Okay, so we have AD, all right, as 50. It is actually in the question here. So this is it. Okay, so from point CD, we are going to draw a line joining those 2 points together. Okay, so we are still in the first part of the question, which asks us to draw a polygon. Okay, so now we are to draw what? CD, DE. DE is 30. Okay, so we are going to pick 30 millimeter. This is 30. Okay, this is 30. Strike an arc like this, and we have been told that what? AE is what? 37. So we are going to pick 37 also. Okay, so this is going to be the mark point. Okay, so we'll join this together. So this is going to be our point E. Then from point A also, I join this together. So this is our irregular pentagon, okay, which we are going to be drawing. So the next thing we are going to be doing is connect diagonals, okay, from point D to A and from point D to B. Okay, so from point D to A, I'm going to draw this diagonal. Okay, then from point B to D, I'm going to draw this diagonal. So this is actually the part we are going to now. We are actually going to construct a rectangle. But before we can construct a rectangle which is equal in area, we have to first of all construct what? The triangle. But just follow me because we are going to be doing everything step by step and it's going to be very well explanatory. So the next thing we are going to do is to extend our baseline, which is line AB. Okay, we are going to extend it to the left and right hand side. Now we are going to be drawing lines that is parallel to AD, okay, in point E. This is how it's going to be. Just put your compass, sorry, your ruler right here, okay, your ruler and your set square, okay, then drag it down a little bit to point E, okay, then draw a line which is parallel. So this part where the line is stopping is going to be A prime. We are going to do exactly the same thing for this diagonal line, which is DB, okay, BD. So we are going to do the same thing from point BD, okay, this is it. We are going to be drawing a line which is parallel, okay. So this is the parallel line to point C, okay. So we are going to make this part our what? B prime, okay. So now if you join point A to point D, A prime to point D, let me just thicken it out. Normally I'm not meant to thicken it out, but I just want to make a point here, then point, draw this to this and this like this, okay. So this is the triangle. A prime D B prime is the triangle that is equal in area to that particular pentagon which we have drawn, that irregular pentagon ABCDE which we have actually drawn. Okay, so now the main question is asking us to draw what? Rectangle, which is what we are going to be doing exactly. So in order to draw the rectangle, we are going to take our compass and draw a perpendicular line to meet the baseline, okay, from point D. So I'm just going to pick my compass in order to draw the perpendicular line, okay. I'm going to extend it in a way that I know that it is going to cut through this, okay. So these two particular points here, which it is touching this baseline AB which we drew, I'm going to strike and hack like this, strike and hack upward. Then at this point also strike and hack, then strike and hack like this. So this is the perpendicular line which we are going to be drawing, okay. So we just need it from here. We don't need it from this particular place here. Okay. So now after getting this particular line, we are going to label this part where it is meeting this part as what? As our point E prime. Don't forget we already have one E before. So we'll just label that as E prime. Okay. So now the next thing to do is to bisect line D and DE prime. Okay. This particular line, we are going to bisect it into half, okay. So we'll do like this, put it at E prime, okay, then bisect like this and like this, okay. So after doing that, we are going to pick our ruler, okay, from here. Just draw a thin straight line, okay, a very thin straight line. So now we are going to pick your set square from point B prime. We are going to draw a straight line upward, a thick one, please make it thick because we are already forming our rectangle. This is going to be C prime, okay. Then from point A prime also you are going to draw a what? A thick line upward, make this D prime, okay. So this particular line C prime D prime, okay. So A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime is our rectangle, okay. So we have rectangle A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. So that is the exact rectangle we are forming, okay, from this particular pentagon which you have been given. If you found value in this video, please don't hesitate to smash the subscribe button. Share this video with your friend that might need it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.